How to install a Sharkbite coupling. We're gonna need a Sharkbite, a ladder, and a 1/2-inch pipe cutter. I was up here looking the other day and saw this. I mean, there's a bunch of cobweb up here, so like it's easy to miss, but right there, like, you might think that's cobweb. Nope, it's water. So like water has been coming out of this pinhole in the pipe and it's been hitting this wood, and then it drips down onto the expansion tank, and then I put that bowl there to catch the water, but like water's just been on my floor. I've had no idea where it's coming from because it hasn't rained the last couple days. So anyway, we're gonna put a Sharkbite on this 1/2-inch pipe. So this is the well pump. I'm gonna shut the water off here so I can know without a doubt that the water is not being pressurized, is not flowing through the water heater. Turn the faucets on to relieve the pressure. No problem. No more stream of water coming out. So now we can cut the pipe. I realized that after I shut the water off, I don't know where the pinhole is because it's so small. So I'm gonna mark it where about it is with a Sharpie. There and there. All right, water's off and stream is gone. And I got this bowl here just in case to catch any residual water that comes out. So, point of no return, we're gonna cut the pipe. Got a Sharkbite here. Normally I would use the orange tool to like scrape this edge and that edge and mark it, but I think we'll be fine this time. Like it doesn't really make that much of a difference, and this knows where to stop it. So put it on. All right, so I got one end on, and the other end. Yeah, that's good. Water on. No like pinhole leak from here anymore. So that's good. All good. Like and subscribe.